In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the paper out error on the Epson L15180 printer when paper is loaded in Cassette 1, but the printer still cannot pick it up correctly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
In Epson printers, a paper out error does not always mean that the paper tray is empty. In many cases, this issue happens when the pickup rollers cannot properly grab the paper due to dirt, wear, or low friction. As a result, the printer fails to feed the paper correctly and shows a paper out message even when paper is already loaded in Cassette 1. First, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Then, follow the steps shown in the video to access the paper pickup rollers safely. Now, using a clean and soft cloth with a small amount of gasoline or warm water, carefully clean the printer's pickup rollers. Also, inspect the paper path and make sure there are no foreign objects or small pieces of paper stuck inside the printer. Be sure to clean the rollers inside the printer as well. While doing so, carefully inspect the paper path and make sure there are no foreign objects or small pieces of paper stuck inside the printer. Now, turn the printer back on and test it to see whether the problem has been resolved or not. That is it for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the paper out error on your Epson L15180 printer. If the problem still persists, further inspection of the paper feed system may be required. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on the notification bell for more useful printer repair tutorials. Thank you for watching.